So you'll have to unscrew this screw here to open it up. Okay, let me do it real quick. So once it's open, what we want to make sure is that here you have the shield and it's touching to the base plate, metal base plate. Then here, what it does is when this is pushed, it will basically, when it's pushed, it will basically make contact inside. So this one here I have nothing, so I'll just open up to show you. So inside right here, when you'll push on it, it will go down on like a guillotine, I would say, for the cable, and then it will make contact. So as I can see here, normally your wire coming from your connection, your actual connection, is coming in and then goes out this way. So what it does is when you have a resistor or no resistor, you'll put it without resistor, it's at off, so you put it this way, and then the connection will go in and goes out by this side. And once everything is pushed properly here with the connection, you close it and you need to screw the screw.